Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to boomerang on Snapchat. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to boomerang on Snapchat, first tap open your Snapchat and sign into your account if necessary. From your chat screen, you can see that there is no boomerang effect whatsoever on Snapchat. Now, in order to bring out that boomerang effect, what you'll need to do is take a video of about 1 second. After you do that, go to the upper right menu and click on this infinity loop kind of thing. If you tap it on once, then it will be played once. Tap it one more time and set it to loop. After you do that, in order to bring out that boomerang effect, simply keep swiping your screen towards the right until you find this option right here. After you do that, you'll be able to bring out that boomerang effect on Snapchat. If you want to take away the sound from this video, then tap on the sound icon at the bottom left and you'll be able to cancel the sound from the video. That is how you can do it. I hope you learned how to create boomerang on Snapchat, even if the function is not available at the moment. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.